Today we're going to create a featured page, which is a built-in feature of the Fika theme, and it allows you to specify a page that you can use to showcase lists of recipes in a way that's appealing to the user. So we're going to start this tutorial by creating a normal WordPress page by going to Pages, Add New Page, and we're going to call this page My Favorite Recipes. And that is the English spelling. It is not incorrect. It's just contextually incorrect. Now, to make this normal WordPress page what's known as a featured page, we need to go to Page Attributes and select either the Featured Page 1 or Featured Page 2 template. The reason that we have two is you might want to have two featured pages. So if you're only going to have one, I'd select Featured Page 1. You can write a spiel that you want to use to introduce your recipes. And hit Publish. We're now going to add this page to the navbar menu by clicking on Appearance, Menus, and adding the My Favorite Recipes link just under the Recipes menu item. Save the menu. And now we're going to go to the Customizer. We're going to activate the My Favorite Recipes so that it's visible in the Customizer. And we're going to go to the Widgets area. At this point, you'll see that the Featured Page 1 widget area is enabled. This is going to be the vehicle that we're going to use to populate the featured page. For this demo, we're just going to put one list of recipes in, as we only have 3 in the whole demo. And we're going to start doing that by clicking on the Featured Page 1 widget area and clicking Add a Widget. And we're going to add a grid post list widget, which allows us to display a list of posts in a grid, usually showing the image and the title of the post. In this demo, we're going to do one that is based on the category of desserts, and we're going to use that as a way to show off the awesome desserts that this website has to offer. Obviously, this would be much more powerful if we had a big load of recipes in there of all sorts of different categories, but we don't. So we're just going to have to make do with this as an example. You'll have to imagine it with more recipes. We put in a title for our feature, which in this case is Awesome Desserts. And we're going to put in a More link. Now this More link at the bottom is useful for users that, let's say we do have a lot of recipes in our website. We have 500 dessert recipes. And this control is going to show the first 20 of them. And then that More link is going to be what the user can click if they want to see all of the rest of them. Once they click that More link, it's going to be a page that shows all 100 recipes. So that's how we kind of set our featured page up. We have these little snippets, and then they can click on those More links to see the rest of the recipes that match that criteria. Let's publish that and have a little look at our featured page. And we publish that, and that's our feature page complete. Obviously, as your blog gets bigger, you'll have more categories in the feature page, and you'll have enough recipes to fill fairly large grids of items. This is really something that you're going to use maybe after 3 to 6 months of running a blog, when you have enough content to make it worth your while. In the next lesson, we're going to learn how to add a contact page to your website.